Hello friends. Today I'm going to show you how to create QR codes easily and securely. I'm going to use 77QR.io website to create QR codes. You can create QR codes for anything using this site. Let's see how. Open your browser. Go to 77QR.io website. You can sign up here. I'm going to sign in. After sign in, you can see Create QR button. Click it. You can give the credentials here. I'm going to create a QR code of my channel. Now you can print or download the code as PNG or JPG, etc. You can use a QR scanner to scan it. That's all.